Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the value of the 6 trigonometric functions given a coordinate on the terminal side of theta. Let's begin. So we're given the coordinate -1/2 comma square root of 3 divided by 2, and I've gone ahead and drawn the diagram already. And the angle that we want to find these 6 trigonometric values of is right there. So we want to find sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, etc. And to do that, I'm going to draw a vertical line from the coordinate to the x-axis, which creates that right triangle. And we need to find the radius. We know that the horizontal distance is -1/2 and the vertical distance is the square root of 3 divided by 2. So by Pythagorean theorem, we know that r is equal to the square root of -1/2 squared plus the square root of 3 divided by 2 squared. And I will simplify that now. So in this case, the radius is equal to 1. So now we can find the sine, cosine, tangent of theta. And let's begin. So sine of theta is equal to b divided by r. So here, -1/2 is a, square root of 3 divided by 2 is b. So this is equal to the square root of 3 divided by 2 divided by 1, which is the square root of 3 divided by 2. Cosine of theta is a divided by r. So that would be -1/2 divided by 1, which is -1/2. Tangent of theta is equal to b divided by a. So that will be the square root of 3 divided by 2 divided by -1/2. And I will simplify that now. So the tangent of theta is the negative square root of 3. Now for the reciprocal functions. Cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of sine, so that's 2 divided by the square root of 3. And if we rationalize the denominator, that's the result. Secant of theta is the reciprocal of cosine, so that would be -2. And the tangent of theta, cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent, so that would be -1 divided by the square root of 3. And if we rationalize that denominator, that is the result. So here is the value of the 6 trigonometric functions of theta, where the terminal side passes through the point -1/2 comma square root of 3 divided by 2.